So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Genesis chapter 1, verse 27. As we strive for balance and harmony in society, it's important to acknowledge the integral role of both sexes. In the same breath, we must too acknowledge how over time, society has played a role in subverting expectations, which has led to gaps in those roles and responsibilities. Men, divinely ordained, encapsulate strength, bravery, courage, and leadership. But when those attributes are less present, the question is raised of, where have all the good men gone? As we acknowledge the problem, we must too facilitate a conversation on how to overcome it. As we here at PBCJ acknowledge International Men's Day, we aim to facilitate the conversation via discussion from the 1990s that is still relevant today. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past.